How to add more stories to your existing highlights on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up your Instagram application from your device and get logged into your Instagram account. Now, in order to add more stories to your highlight, tap onto your profile on your bottom right. Here you will see your highlight. And now, in order to add more photos, tap on More option, then tap on Edit Highlight. As you do so, tap on the Stories. And here you will be able to see all the stories that you have added till now. Choose anyone that you would like to add into your existing highlights. Once you're done, tap onto Done on your top right corner. Then refresh your page. Let's go ahead and check our highlight. And just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.